Hi, Geoff Ballard here. I'm going to show you today the multi-size wheel spanner. So we've made this for many years, maybe 15 years now or something like that. It's a very handy product. It's basically designed so that it can cover a lot of different sizes and is lightweight and fits into your tool roll, bum bag, whatever. It's hard to know everything you need to carry in a tool roll, but if you carry something like this, it might help your mates out as well because of the different sizes that it offers to you. So in a nutshell, it's got a 17 on the back here. Sorry, that's a 19. On this side it's got a 17, but the insert comes out, and then you have a 22, which is like a lot of Yamaha front. It's also a 21 is the size of a spark plug, so on a two-stroke, so it'll actually undo two strokes as well. It's designed so that the plug will fit through there. These tests have a little bit of tension on them and they lock back in, so they generally will sit there all the time till you need it. On this end is a 24, which once it's removed it becomes a 32, which is a lot of like the Hondas and things, and on this side it's a 27, which is Yamahas and KTM, a lot of KTMs and things like that. Also along here it has a 12 and an 8. So, you know, just handy sort of stuff. One of the things that I'd like to mention is that when you go to something like this, it's obviously very convenient to carry in your bum bag. You need to be aware that you don't work on your bike in the workshop or send it off to a mechanic who uses a rattle gun and they put the axle nuts, you know, they use a big bar or whatever and they really torque them down. So if you, before you go riding or whatever and you've set your bum bag up to suit what you need, just go through a few of the bolts. Mainly the hardest ones are the axles. So if you get in the habit of doing it up, and then you can undo it again with this tool. As I said, it's stainless steel. It is very strong, but it's not designed to have the same strength as a lever that's this long and is really torqued. So you can use your foot on it, but it's one of those things that is designed for a special purpose. So just be aware of it. It's a great product, a great all-rounder for any bum bag.